Hello, it is Catherine from CW Design. I just want to take a minute or two or three and talk to you about another wonderful gift. I actually wrote a blog about this last year in December. Great gift ideas. Again, they're right here. Look at how adorable this is. My children actually decorated this. This is what we're giving my parents. Granny and Doggy, AKA they call them. Doggy for Grandpa. I know it's a long story. There we go. So yes, super adorable. It's their school picture. And my daughter, Azaria, wanted to decorate it and put more stickers on. Where Ezekiel, my son, just wanted to put stickers on the back with his. But Izzy actually put the stickers, my daughter Azaria actually put the stickers on the back for both of them. Yes, and as you can see, these are just crayon samples. And being that they're crayon samples, they will not scratch your tables, they will not scratch your surfaces or anything. So these are amazing gifts for coasters. How fun and creative. Come on. Yes, so I think those are really cool and fun and just something different. I also did the same thing with Cambria samples. I made these myself. I'm going to be giving them to our mail person, our recycling, and our garbage. Again, just a set of 2 for each one. So I did a love and I did a joy. Again, these are just some crayon Cambria samples, quartz samples I had around. And then I ended up getting some cork from the Dollar Tree and cutting it to size, and then also putting my sticker on it as well, my label. So again, I had these labels, they're clear, and I did this in Canva, and then I ended up uploading it into Avery's templates, and it just worked out perfectly. And then same with the joy and the love. And yes, they're 2 different colors because again, that's what people are doing nowadays, or maybe your perimeter will be one color and then your island would be a fabulous different color with lots of movement. Yeah, so that is what all of these are coasters, and a beautiful, fabulous gift as well. Again, I ended up making these, and you can definitely tell the difference. Yes, as my husband said, it definitely looks professional. So there you go with the lovely kids. So again, another fun art project for them to give to family members, grandma and grandpa, or yourself, maybe to your sisters, brothers, nieces, nephews, again, whoever. I will link the directions. I will actually link the blog because it has the directions completely for it. And it's just, yeah, step by step for you. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Have a great day. Bye.